Hi, Jimmy here. Today we're going to show you the video on the cabin air filter, what's involved in removing and changing it, and just so you can see how dirty it gets. It's a good idea to change it at least once a year, twice if you can, especially after pollen season in the spring. Yeah, anyways, we'll go, and on this vehicle it's hidden underneath the glove box or in behind the glove box, so we got to pull the glove box off, and we'll try and squeeze in here to do that, I guess. Not sure if that's in your way. Gives you some room. So I'll kind of work with you here. We'll just drop this glove box off and do the side wire and just drop it out of the way. Gonna drop it down. So if you see all your your stuff in your glove box moved and all, and you're wondering what's going on, who's been in there, that's probably me. But unfortunately I got to pull that out in order to get it, and then the filter is going to be in behind here. So in behind that shield right there, that cover, that's where the cabin air filter lives. So I'm just going to try and work with you here and release that. And there you see it. It's got a direction, airflow down. That's what that means. This side out, which is good, so I'm just going to pull that out. And usually you'll find a lot of leaves and all kinds of stuff sitting on here. Just got to wiggle it a little bit. You got some leaves on there. See the dirt in there? That catches all that stuff that could be going through the cab and you could be breathing, right? So pretty important. Keeps the cab clean, the air that you're breathing, especially when it circulates through the heater ducts. It's kind of like the filter on your furnace. It's important to change that twice a year as well, right? Or before winter hits. So this one's nice and clean, not as dark as this one, right? You can kind of see the dust in that one. Some of these are actually white, but this is a higher micro, so that's why it's a little darker than that. But yeah. Swap that out, put a new one in, kind of like the filter in your furnace. Make sure that side's down, this side out, just like it says right there. It's made in Poland, so pretty cool. I just got to get this little cable strung out, because that's what gives you that feature of that slow descent on your right. Comes down nice and easy. Push the tabs in. Check it. That's that. And that's what we do. Change your cabin air filter, which is kind of like the filter in your furnace, and keeps the air clean in your cab, especially if you got allergies and stuff. So it's pretty important. That's a good idea to change it. Yeah, hopefully you liked the video. Stay tuned for the next one. Okay, put the cover on. Make sure it snaps into place.